If you feel like your skating progress is slower than it should be, you are not alone. Many beginner skaters work hard but still struggle to improve. The truth is, it's not always about how much you practice, it's how you practice. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 crucial mistakes beginner skaters make that slow down their progress, prevent proper technique, and hold them back from improving fast. Mistake number 1 is holding onto the wall or other objects to help you take a few steps on the ice and find your balance. The problem is, if you are holding onto something, you are never going to truly feel your balance over your skating feet. Your upper body alignment becomes incorrect and you rely on support instead of learning control. Try to step away from the wall. Start by standing still on 2 feet. Keep your arms out, head up, and look straight ahead. Feel your weight centered over your skates. Then begin slowly walking. Don't push yet. Just lift your feet one at a time. Keep your knees and ankles soft and slightly bent and hold your arms to the side at about waist level. This will help you build real balance and control from the very beginning. Mistake number 2 is skating with your knees locked and your ankles not bent. This creates a very stiff position, makes it hard to push properly, and often causes you to break forward at the waist, which can lead to tripping over your toe picks. Instead, you want to keep your knees and ankles soft and flexible. Start with a 2-foot glide, bend your knees and ankles, keep your hips over your feet, your back straight, and your head up looking forward. Your arms should be extended to the sides. While you are gliding, practice gently bending and straightening your ankles and knees. This will help you feel how your edges work and improve your control. If you are more advanced, try the same exercise going backward. Do a few small wiggles to initiate movement, then go back into a 2-foot glide, focusing again on bending and straightening your knees and especially your ankles. This will give you a much better balance, smoother movement, and stronger skating foundations. For more detailed tutorials, step-by-step instructions, and structured training for beginner skaters, check out my website styleskating.com. Sign up for my Figure Skating Foundations video course for beginner skaters. This course will guide you step by step from your very first time on the ice to more advanced skating skills, single jumps, and basic spins. You will learn proper technique from the very beginning, avoiding common mistakes, and follow practice exercises designed to help you improve faster and with more confidence. Click the link above or check the description below to sign up today. Mistake number 3 is looking down at the ice while skating, trying to check if you are doing everything correctly. The problem is, the moment you look down, your weight shifts forward. This throws off your balance and affects your posture. Also, if you keep watching your feet, you will never truly learn the movement. You are relying on your eyes instead of developing muscle memory. Instead, keep your head up and look straight ahead. Trust the process. Feel the movement rather than trying to see it. At first, it might feel uncomfortable, but this is how you train your body to remember the correct movement. Once you stop looking down, your balance, control, and overall skating will improve much faster. Keep your head straight and look in the direction of your movement. Work on 2-foot and 1-foot glides, focusing on keeping your upper body straight with your knees and ankles soft and slightly bent. This will help you stay centered over your skates, improve your balance, and build strong, confident skating habits. Now, mistake number 4, which is not engaging your core and back muscles to stay vertical. Instead, many skaters try to keep their balance by swinging their arms and taking big uncontrolled steps. This creates instability and makes it much harder to control your skating. Focus on keeping your upper body vertical and strong. Calm your arms down and keep them controlled, not swinging. Bring your feet closer together during all your transitions from one foot to the other and avoid big rushed steps. This will help you stay more balanced, controlled, and efficient on the ice. Mistake number 5 is not allowing yourself to fall or not practicing how to fall. Many skaters try to fight their balance and tense up their muscles, which actually makes falling more dangerous and slow down progress. Just like everything else in skating, falling is a skill that needs to be practiced. As soon as you feel like you are losing your balance, bend your knees and get lower to the ice. Relax your muscles, bring your arms slightly forward and to the side, and aim to fall gently onto your side. Avoid falling forward onto your knees or backward onto your head. Take your time getting up. Start on your knees with your hands on the ice, then place one foot on the ice, then the other. Push through your legs to straighten your knees and return to a strong vertical position. Make sure to practice this on both sides so you feel comfortable and confident. If you want to improve faster, start by fixing these 5 mistakes. Stay away from the wall, keep your knees and ankles soft, look forward, engage your core, and don't be afraid to fall. Learn how to do it correctly. Focus on building strong basics, and you will notice your balance, control, and confidence improving much faster. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more skating tips and tutorials. And if you want more detailed step-by-step training, join my YouTube membership for exclusive lessons. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time.